To ensure a stable microclimate, massive climate control units cycle the air, essential for culture.
Primocane spacing alignment confirmed. Hydraulics nominal.
Tensioning mechanism calibrated. System status is go.
Pressure looks stable on manifold 3.
Confirmed. No fluctuations detected. We can proceed with the sensor calibration.
Stem diameter is reading 5.25 millimeters.
Excellent. We'll use this one for the floricane tracking.
The historical data confirms these floricane cuts are optimal.
Yes, the airflow modeling shows significantly improved circulation in the V-Trellis.
We're seeing a slight drop in the western bed. Adjusting the manifold now to compensate, the target is 22.
The population threshold is exceeded in this section.
Agreed. We must initiate biological controls immediately per the IPM protocol.
This section looks good. How about over there?
Got a small tear here. Need the heat tool and sealant.
Check the separation on the floricanes.
Yeah, looks good. Right at the protocol height.
The gap analysis indicates significant density in Sector 4. We need to schedule immediate thinning to optimize light exposure for the fruiting stage.
Temperature is stable at 25 Celsius. Humidity is 70%. Good, the blooms look healthy.
The live data confirms structural integrity across the main lines.
Except for this point here. We are seeing a
The potassium uptake is right on target, according to the sensors.
And the berries are showing excellent color and firmness.
We've maintained the target temperature. Ripening is accelerating as projected.
confirmed. The color saturation is ideal.
Careful with the top layer. We're clear to transfer to the rapid cooling facility now.
Checkpoint 5 kilo.
Confirmed. Noted for batch A.
Batch 724 confirmed, location verified.
Looks correct. Go ahead and accept the transfer.
Process A successfully processed.
Pectin at 10.5 kilograms.
Confirmed. Sugar is on target. Let's move to the vats.
Fruit to sugar ratio verified.
Confirmed. Starting the heating cycle now.
We're approaching the target Brix level. Confirm the temperature is stabilizing at 92.
Temperature is dropping nicely, right on schedule.
Confirmed on the main panel. Flow rate is steady.
The sealed jars of hot Heritage Red Raspberry preserves enter a long industrial cooling tunnel where they are